Hey guys, okay, it's been a very long time since I made a video. Let's just not think about it. Um, I've been obsessed with Hobonichi this past few um, days, weeks. So the whole month was the Hobonichi Madness. So they did like um, on kind of like shared what they were going to release. And so I decided to do a little unboxing for you guys and just say hi and say that I'm alive and everything is okay. I've been in my Hobonichi this year. I've been in a cousin. And so I decided for the next year, for 2025, I was going to be in Avec because cousin is kind of like quite big. But I also wanted to try Weeks so much because and this is an Alletone cover that I got for my Weeks, but I don't think I'm going to be honestly using it for Weeks exactly. I think I'm just going to use it for travel. When I'm traveling, I will, like, you always need like some kind of papers um, that travel with you, or like just my week's planner maybe there I will put there when I'm traveling. But the weeks on its own, I'm just gonna just gonna it's just gonna live by itself in a clear plastic cover that you see me on on packaging here. So yeah, I'm so happy with my order. I really love this week's cover. I i, I don't know, like, when I saw it, I was like, yes, this is the one for me. This is what's going to make me happy. I really wanted to get an A5 cover for the next year, but I just didn't find something that really. Oh, so there's like a clear plastic cover that like protects your like in the packaging. I'm not gonna throw it away. I've seen on a Japanese channel that they use like a really cool trick to make it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna reuse it. So this is the weeks. I really love it. It's insanely good. It's quite small, because I do my sort of planning in my cousin, so it's kind of like quite tiny. It has two page markers. I do like the colors, not really like insanely much, but it kind of like suits the style of these of the cover. um and if you haven't seen the weeks, I'm just gonna flip through it just to show you. So there's like year at a glance, and they have like 3 years, and then the year in weeks. um and then there's like monthly overviews, and then you go into weeks. So it's kind of like, it's a good system. I honestly still don't really like. I have few purposes that I want to use this one for. I really want to start already using it because there's like, I am showing you now, there's like a lot of space. So I can like use it now already because they're like blank pages, like 72 blank pages. And at the end they're like, well, favorites and my 100, like it's standard Hobonichi stuff. It's usually there at the end. This, I really love this sample symbols and icons. It's kind of cute. And also like noodles. I honestly thought that this week's I was going to get this week's in Japanese, but I as everyone, I could not get my order in when the frenzy started. And I was up at 4 a.m., you guys. It was madness. I tried for like 30 minutes to get my order in, and it didn't go. Like, look at this cover. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. I really love it. It, honestly, truly in love with this. So I couldn't place my order, and so the pouch is also included. Um, so I couldn't get my order in because the shopping cart got emptied a few times, and I tried and tried, and so I was like, it's okay, I will try in the morning, not like the early morning at 4 a.m., but like at 8 a.m. And one of the retailers in so I'm in Belgium. One of the retailers in the Netherlands was an official Hobonichi seller, and so I eventually I got my Hobonichi order there. So this is a booklet that comes with the Hobonichi, and you really need to scan the QR code. It's so pretty. I love what they've done. It's just it makes the whole experience like an experience. Um, it might well the style is quite rough, and the colors are quite dark, but I really like the story behind it, and you just have to discover it for yourself. I'm not gonna say anything. So I've got also like a few little things as stationery supplies. But also, yes, I wanted to show you how the Wix will look in a clear plastic cover. And spoiler alert, it looks amazing. I really love it. I'm wearing it like this. I will, like wear it like, like take it with me like everywhere, and it's just, yeah, it looks good. um I tried to get this. You will see like further on in the video. I tried to get it into the cover and I couldn't get it inside. Like it didn't go. Well, it does go inside, but I'm afraid it will rip out the plastic. So I'm just gonna mm, use it for a little cover for something else. So this stencil I really liked. It's just it's kind of, I don't know. I have another stencil. Um I don't know where from, but you'll see it further on in the video. I will show it to you. Um and it's quite, I was trying to let you see what kind of designs were on the stencil, and it was quite hard, but I think you get the gist. So I have another stencil. Honestly, with stencils, I'm like, I don't know. I use them sometimes. Sometimes I forget that they exist. But I, for some reason, every time I shop, I'm like, oh my god, a stencil, that's so handy to have. And yeah, it's a problem. Anyway, then there are the sticky notes. I love the colors. They're quite translucent. I love the colors. They're quite soft, and the surface of this. I don't know if you have bought them or not. Usually, those translucent ones are quite like sleek, but these have like a little bit of a grip. And then you have this beautiful, I believe is Yumi Kitagashi. I didn't get the cover because honestly I really wanted to get an A5 cover. Oh, and the Goomba stickers, that's, I believe that's from the previous releases. The pen store just got them, had them, and I like bought them. And I also bought the little plasticky sleeves for the, like, I always take my like uh, I don't know, like I have a lot of notebooks, and also my Hobonichi, and like little papers. I always like stick them somewhere in between the pages and stuff like that, and I always fall off. And I'm like, oh my god, this is like genius way to store them, like little stickers, little ephemera. Like you can like put them inside and they'll be protected. So I love them. That's also from Yumi Kitagishi, but you probably already knew that. And the so I wanted to get an A5 cover really, really bad this time, but my problem is that I haven't seen, like the cover that like just spoke to me, just like those weeks, the weeks cover from the Mother 2. I mean, it's just a beauty. I love the colors, love everything about it. But the other Mother covers, Mother covers is funny. The other covers with the Mother design were kind of like, I don't know, they were like um not my thing, not my style. I don't know, like I really couldn't find the cover this year, and I just didn't want a cover, like buying something just to buy something. I'm not that person. um I really love buying Hobonichi stuff, and I really love their designs, but just this year I don't know, I couldn't find anything. I really love that they did away with the so now I'm just showing you what's inside the Avec planner. And this Avec planner is only Japanese, by the way. But I do have my cousin from last year, so I don't need the translation. And some of the words are in English, like my 100, you see there. And also, like the weekdays are in English. And I believe in the like the first pages also the months are in English, so you're kind of like you're set. If you buy this, you can like navigate it with ease. So this is the cover that I bought this year, in the beginning of the year, in January. I love it so much. It's my picture with my husband, and there's the kid is also there, but it's on the bottom. So the cousin is quite big, but and it also got really, really chunky. Like it's really, really. For me, it's a little bit difficult to write in it in the second half of the year, and that's why I took Avec this time. The cover here from the Avec itself, like you have like the light blue, it comes off very, very awesome here, but the yellow, it's quite harsh. But when you get it, like when you see it actually, not on the video, not on the pictures, because in the pictures and in the video the yellow is quite vibrant, and in reality it's quite, well, I wouldn't say soft, but it's muted. It's a muted yellow. I don't know, it just, I don't know how to explain this, but honestly I like this yellow, and I like how it looks in my planner. So I don't have any I also have a clear cover for it, but I need to take it from another book that I have inside it. I have stology book inside it. So here you see my other stencil. It's from, I believe it's from the travel company. I think so. I don't, I'm sorry. Anyway, this is how it will probably look next year. And here I'm trying to put, like, trying out the little tabs in the pocket of the clear cover, and it works. It really works. The big one, I think it's a little bit too big, and so I'm gonna try to um, put it in the Alutone cover for you guys, so you'll see it in just a few minutes, or seconds. I don't really remember. I filmed this unboxing yesterday, and I was so excited to film it. I was just like, but I couldn't film it when it came, so I had to wait, and I was like, oh my god, I really want it. Anyway, so now I'm trying to fit the cover, so the plastic covered weeks in Alutone, and it's just not going. Well, it's going, but really, like, no. And I'm like, I don't want to use it without. Well, I can use it without, the clear plastic. But I just like the way it looks, the way it feels, and the way it's quite portable. So my cousin is not portable. My cousin just sits on sits on my table, and I do a lot of like memory keeping inside it. And the weeks should be like portable to me because I got it as like I don't know, like I have several things that I want to do with. I don't know. It could be like a catch-all, like like write it on the go kind of planner, or I could do like my like like mental health stuff. Yeah, look, this I really love how it looks on in the back cover. It looks amazing. So this is a portable way, and I think I'm gonna use it like when I'm traveling. It's just, yeah, this is an awesome way to travel, and it has pockets, and like yay. um and so I have, because I got the mother cover, I tried the mother game. It's, if you have like the Nintendo account, it's not really hard to get your hands on it. It's quite cute. It has like this. I was so surprised how wonderful it is to play. You can go like for a game that was made in the 90s. It's quite awesome, and so I think I will be playing it um, further. So that's it, you guys. I hope you had a wonderful time with this unboxing. I sure did. It's nice to, nice to get a video out. It's been a while. I wish you all the best, and thank you for looking at this. Bye.